Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change date and time in BIOS on RAZER Blade 15. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on RAZER Blade 15. Once that's done, use the arrows. You can use right or left arrow to move between pages and down arrow to scroll. So scroll down until you see system date and system time. And now to change it, start pointing on for example date, and you can just use plus or minus on your keyboard to change the month, like that. You can also click on enter to move to days, and you can click on enter to move to years, like that. And then you can also go down to change the system time, and it's gonna be done the same way. So just click on plus or minus and click on enter to move between different like minutes, hours, or seconds. And that's basically how you do it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.